like encourage. Thank you so much, like coming and joining. So yes, so who wants to go ahead, like want to say, like what is this astrophysics? What is the difference between all these things? What we are talking about? Anyone. It is not okay. Vandana joined. I have not asked like your introduction. If you like to introduce yourself. All right. I think no answer for that. Uh, so what I'll do is like I'll start a whiteboard, like where all of you can do scribbling and all. You can draw as many stars, anything, whatever you like to do. Okay. So in that, like as we go ahead and discuss, so then you can like take your mouse or like your hand, you can draw what all things you want to. So my first question, I try to say this uh, that what is astrophysics? Again, as I said, I also don't know the definitions, so we are also figuring out. Okay, you guys can scribble around. It is nothing that we need to keep it very clean. It is nothing like that. So, what is astrophysics? Anyone wants to give a try? Welcome, Maria. Thank you for joining. Very good. It looks very nice. Yes, of course. Maria, you would like to introduce yourself, or is there you joined with your child? Anything you want to share? Wow, this looks pretty cool. So I am getting like this one. Please correct me. Uh, I made some notes because I was learning about it. So they are saying astrophysics is a branch of astronomy that uses laws of physics and mathematics to understand how and why celestial objects behave the way they do, right? So what are celestial objects? All things you are drawing, na? Like these are all celestial objects. So can you let me know, like, okay, somebody said like it's galaxy, somebody are stars. So what are other celestial objects are there? What all things you know? Here you would like to speak up. You need to share.
I know solar system.
Solar system, very good. What is the solar system? What is there anything like kind of lunar system? Is there anything like earth system? Anything is like that?
No.
Why it is called solar system? Thank you. So now, as I have mentioned,
But I know
astrophysics
the
is.
planet's name.
Please tell what are the planets' name? What is?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Wow. But I heard one planet was there, Pluto. What happened to that?
Yeah. What happened to Pluto? Pluto is coming
Is
in a solar system again. A long time ago.
so?
It's
Is Pluto is not a planet?
up now it's coming to be a planet.
Then Pluto is before what it is?
Bef- before scientists was thinking Pluto was not a planet, it was a dwarf planet. So they removed Pluto from the solar system. Now the Pluto is coming again in our solar system. Pluto is became a planet again. What?
Planet, like something else.
Issue.
And
Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are not in our space now. They are in interstellar space.
Tam.
The one Voyager 2, I never heard about them.
You can tell something?
Now Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 is not in our solar system. It's in interstellar space.
But which planet they visited?
They visited the planet Voyager 1 visit the Jupiter and Voyager 2 with Voyager 2 circled all the gaseous planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and it went to interstellar space.
Sorry, मी लिहिलं ना voices. आवाज नाही येऊन राहिला.
अच्छा ब्रेक होऊन राहिला. I
Some
think it's
network.
about. My name is Azhan, and I think it's about stars, black holes, and planets, solar systems, asteroids, and also Milky Way and black holes.
Many things you have shared. Very good. Awesome. Yes, of course, all are there. Anything else? Anything you want to share?
Asteroid belt.
Egypt was in the asteroid belt and it fell on our Earth and the dinosaur died.
Like that? Dinosaur died
Yeah.
because of asteroid. Oh, I didn't know that.
Because fire came and ash was everywhere and the sun, the ash was
because of the ash clouds.
Because of the ash clouds, it was. But first, when it will come,
Look here.
What?
Look here. Tell.
No problem. He can look any other place also. He can. It's nothing to be like. I think you are giving so many interesting ideas. Yes. So, like if this ash cloud happens, like, do you know, like there is something right now, some war is going on, and there it seems they have like put fire on that some oil field, and then whole sky become dark, it seems, and they got like some dark rain, like in Iran, something like that. So, like that can happen, like what has ash cloud has happened, like that can happen now also, like if something falls on us.
But the Egypt fell in the Gulf of Mexico.
Gulf of Mexico. Oh, okay. So that became because of the asteroid. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh. So
The Middle East is going on Dubai and Iran.
Ah, yes, Dubai and Iran there.
Fighting.
Yeah. Maria, if you like, maybe you can switch on your video also.
My name is not Maya. My name is Azhan.
Oh, okay, okay. So sorry. Yeah. Yeah, please, Azan. Yeah, please go ahead and share. So, oh wow, we can see you now. Yes. So you said like many many objects name, what are these and what all things they do?
Like black holes and solar systems and meteors and Milky Ways and
Milky Way.
stars
Okay.
and
How to block the
stars.
sun, isn't it?
Okay.
Sir,
So
do you know how the black hole can form?
oh,
When the
okay.
star dies, the black hole will form.
But sun also will die
The
one day.
black hole sucks everything inside him. It's very big and powerful. And no matter what, it can it can even take anything in its way. It can also take the earth inside. It's so big that it can take the earth inside. Yes. True.
This one, the black hole you're saying.
Yes, the black hole can take the whole planet or the whole earth inside. Black hole can eat anything. Black hole is like a space eater.
Like I used to see one cartoon, like some I don't know, like this one I forgot the name, some Galacton or something. He used to eat galaxies, and there are four people who used to fight against them. I really don't remember, but I used to get fascinated, like how one person can eat so much big, like they're eating planets and all like that. So if we just say, like, say I have drawn a circle, suppose this is our sun, and then if we compare our Earth with that, so how much big is our sun to compare to our Earth?
How many Earth will fix into the sun? 1 point.
Suppose
It's
this is our
really
Earth.
big. The sun is 1 trillion. And the stars we see are out of our Milky Way. They are the other suns.
Yes.
They're out of our Milky Way. We can see them, but they're out of our Milky Way.
Right.
Pick a closest star.
The closest star, I don't know, Mama.
You know, sun is our closest star.
Okay.
See here and talk with everyone. So many people are there.
It is like a Milky Way, like how
Do you know?
scientists have.
Sir, do you know on my laptop I saw so many images of Milky Way. What James Webb Telescope has taken.
Oh, what is that?
Milky Way! Milky Way! Yes, it's a Milky Way. Giant! Yeah, it's a red. But I saw Milky Way cave. Milky Way is very far, but satellites and drones capture it. But the who capture which satellite captured it? I know it's James Webb Telescope.
I'm just writing down because I am also like hearing for the first time. So if this is a Milky Way where we are, is there any other like this, like Milky Ways, like is there any other thing like this?
Any other galaxy?
Any other galaxies are?
There are more galaxy, and in the interstellar space there is Andromeda galaxy. When you come out of a Milky Way, you see another new galaxy.
Okay.
How? It's true. How this is possible?
We'll see the another galaxy. So many galaxies are there. Yes.
Papi should galaxy Rani.
Chane.
What I'm putting it as a like a picture. Just try to identify what is this.
What is this?
Moon.
So if so this picture I have posted, it is about Pluto. We are discussing about Pluto, no? So now if Pluto is no longer a planet, now what should we define what a planet is? Like what should we call as a planet?
So that it forms a circle. It should have enough mass so that it stays in a spherical shape. It should have a defined orbit, and it should be enough big to clear its orbit.
Right. It should orbit around the sun. It should be in round in shape, and then yeah.
Network issue.
Wait. आपलंच आहे.
So
Network
ते इथे ना हे याच्यावर बसता नाही येत. ते खाली माझ्या पायावर
So-
मला या
because of that definition, like the Pluto has been not termed as a planet. It was planet till 2004 or 2006, like that. After discovery, it was discovered in 1930. So almost 76 years, it was considered as planet. Now we call this as a dwarf planet. Right.
It used to come out of its orbit, right?
Hmm. Can you tell again the question, please? You can put it in the chat also.
Oh my god. Vertical.
आता
So somebody have, please.
This dwarf planet is Pluto.
This planet, like the picture I have got, it is as a Pluto. Yes, this is a Pluto.
Yes.
And then somebody said about asteroid and all, like what is an asteroid? Like how it is different from planet?
I said that. Okay, that's okay. Then who is this? What is it?
how asteroid are different from planet.
Asteroid the different planet? I don't know this.
Consider.
What is asteroid? Everybody silent so much. Anyone want to share anything? I think Krishna has joined. Krishna, maybe you would like to say a little bit about yourself. We're just discussing what all we started with. Question: what is astrophysics? And then what is James Webb Telescope? Then we discuss. Yes, I can see you, Krishna. Yeah, please go ahead.
Ma'am, sir, I know a little bit about space, only a little bit. I know that there are black holes.
Please,
Asteroid
just
is
let
a
one.
cold glowing ball. When it enters Earth's atmosphere, it will be hot.
Okay. So we'll let Krishna to speak. Okay. Yeah. Let
I
her
know,
finish and then, yeah, please go ahead.
I know that there are these things called black hole in space. It
Okay.
suck many things inside it. Everything which is close to it, it sucks inside. And when it goes inside, the thing shrinks and it becomes smaller and it dies.
Remember, I had
I
a
know
student
that.
who had like kind of very much, and he told me many things around black hole. Something like event horizon, this, that. Like I was like totally confused. What is that mean?
Black hole is a thing which sucks everything in. Everything which is around it, it sucks.
Question is
And I
why?
know the formation of star.
Okay, how a star is born or how star is formed?
Actually, first there is a cloud and there is a lot
It
of
is called a
stuff which
nebula.
happens,
It is called a
but
nebula.
Oh,
The cloud
wow.
is called a nebula.
Good.
there is a lot of stuff which happens, but I don't remember it fully. So there will be a thing which is like an egg. Inside that, the star will form, and when it comes out, it comes out from the cloud, and it with a huge bang it forms. And when we see it from Earth, actually the illusion makes the stars look very small. But when we go near, it is actually really big. That is, what is it? That's Mars? No, Saturn. Is that Saturn?
That is a black hole picture I have got. This is how scientists are assuming the how black hole will look like. Yes, of course, like as you said, it sucks in everything, even it sucks light also. So we really don't have anything to so like if you want to highlight what all things are there in this. What is there in all black hole and all?
Can I paste something over here?
Yeah, try to paste. You can paste, you can draw, you can uh,
Oh God. How
So you can say like there is a pen kind of thing you can see if you check in the left side of your screen. Using that, you
Yes.
can draw anything. You can put anything here.
Oh, that one.
Mm, yes.
So a black hole is an astronomical region where mass is packed so densely that gravity is overwhelming, intense, preventing light from escaping. They form
Okay.
massive stars, collapse at end of their life stage.
What else you want to like add to this or yeah?
I know that actually I don't know many things. I only know few names of astronauts.
Okay, please put what are the names of astronauts you know?
I know Neil Armstrong.
Okay. Why he is famous?
What?
Why Neil Armstrong is famous?
Neil Armstrong is famous because he's the first astronaut to step on moon.
Ah, okay. Yes. Yes. I think he said also something, na? Like one step for mankind is like one step on the moon is a giant leap for the
Sir,
mankind. Yes.
you know in Apollo 1 how many astronauts went?
Oh, I don't know.
The astronauts. The names are Gus Grissom, Edward, and Roger Chaffee, and they burned in the capsule.
Okay. Why that happens? Like if they are going
Because short circuit.
short circuit because of short circuit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because negative, positive attract, so and
Mhm.
fire came out
Right.
In the command.
in the command module.
This also we also use electricity, positive, negative circuits. Maybe there.
That
Then also we can
2,
have
3, 4 were cancelled because
Sir, did
Sir,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, did you know that there were three more astronauts which went with Neil Armstrong on the moon?
I thought Neil Armstrong only one person went.
But and
No,
in
three
Apollo
more
11,
people went.
Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin,
Okay.
and Michael Collins. Michael Collins.
sir,
There was another. The
He
pilot didn't step on the moon. He
jumped in the
went till the moon.
Michael
He was still
Collins
in the
capsule and
spaceship.
went on Earth.
We have to go one by one. So let's. I think in middle, Krishna also wanted to say something. Yeah, Krishna, if you can go ahead.
do you know about Sunita Williams?
Yes,
She
of course, I know. Yeah.
she's a woman who stayed in space for 6 months.
More than 6 months.
I can't hear you.
Or I want to tell.
She stayed in space but she came back.
I think but youngest member want to speak. Let him allow because yeah.
But in Apollo 11, there are not only one astronaut, there are 3 astronauts. Named
Okay.
Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. And Michael Collins was orbiting the moon, and Neil Armstrong and Buzz
What?
Aldrin was landed, and after they were coming home, so they jumped in the Columbia's capsule and came back on Earth.
Arav dropped off in middle. I think he has joined. Arav, you can share. He was saying something.
Apollo 11 also, it was short circuit was happening, but Buzz Aldrin took his pelting pen and pressed the wire tightly, and they came back. What happened?
Now let's allow Arav Dada to speak because he is waiting patiently. Arav, if you can go ahead. Arav, you were saying something. Sorry, that time we could not.
I was just saying that along with Neil Armstrong, two other people went. They stepped on the moon, but they stepped after Neil Armstrong. That's why they didn't get. Most people don't know who they are.
Like as you guys are enthusiasts, you know all about them. Yes. So that's what the idea of this co-op. Like here, we also learn from all you guys. Yes. I think Krishna was saying something. Krishna, you want to go ahead now?
Sir, no, sir, I was not saying anything.
All right, all right. Then what about Maria? Like you were saying something.
That the black holes are lots. Our universe, our solar system has lots of black holes.
Really? Okay.
Lots of black holes. And
So
only one Milky Way.
what will happen if
The
we
Milky Way has lots of black holes, not the solar system. The solar system doesn't have even one black hole. If they had, we wouldn't be alive. Because a black hole has a lot of gravity. It will just suck in half the planets.
think yeah, thank you so much. Yes. See, we kind of got confused. Yes, thank you. Yes, Krishna.
Sir, I just wanted to say that. Actually, I forgot.
It's fine. You come back again. So now there are some yes.
There is not only one galaxy. There are 1 trillion, and there is one more galaxy. Its name is Andromeda.
Andromeda galaxy, yes. I think that is the nearest galaxy. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, there is another galaxy with its name starting with T. I don't remember its name, but the scientists have told in the future Milky Way will clash with those two galaxies.
Andromeda will crash. Yes. Sir. And on Mars there went one rover named Curiosity rover, and it found on Mars. It found 21 molecules on Mars.
Want to speak? I can see someone's raising the hands.
Sir,
Yeah,
I'm
hello.
raising the hand.
Yeah, you can speak.
And I was going to say that actually the nearest black hole to Earth is lakhs a lot of distance away from Earth, and it is very like it is impossible to reach it because it is a lot of distance and there is no time on Earth, so or no time on space. We don't know if there is time on space. I don't know.
I think so. What you said is like a little matching here. So if everyone must have seen the film Interstellar, have they? So if you've noticed, there is a detail in which he sees time is passing away. So whenever he is going on space, he feels like he's his same age. But when he comes back to Earth, it's like everyone has changed. So time actually flies past in space. It's like, suppose the more farther you go, there is a day added to the, what we say, your journey. You can speak now, Arif. Hello? Anyone else
Lesser
want
you
to speak?
age.
Huh?
I'm saying that the faster you go, the more into the future you go. Like in black holes, it sucks you in very fast. So when you go near a black hole, its gravity will increase the time. You'll stay the same age, but if you come back to Earth, the higher gravity you are near to, the slower time passes. So if
Great.
you are saying like a really big black hole is there and you're near in its gravity, so suppose you stay there for like 10 months, so Earth will be like 100 years over. That's how the person in the Interstellar movie
Yeah,
stays
that's
the same age and every time he comes back.
right. You're right. So actually, if you see a physics of the black hole, like there's one image on the whiteboard. So when, let me just like show you. So here's my pen. So if we reach the sticks, that's where there's a lot of gravity. So we're being sucked in slowly like this. So once we get out of the discs, this black space, that pulls us off like this. Suppose this is me. I'm taking my example. So it will stretch me out up till here. This process is called spaghettification. So it will be stretching me, stretch until I become nothing. That's one thing about black holes, which is like, as Arav told. So if you're like, if for you, you might have survived, but for someone who's viewing you from Earth, he will see like you've just stretched in and disappeared. So that's how black holes work. If like we just draw something like a hole in between and two sides, so these two sides are time, and the black hole is like bending them. So nowadays in space, people are talking about warp travel. Do you know what's
Yeah,
warp
I
travel?
heard yeah, I heard it's something like there is this, like they'll bend time using some machine to go into the future or go back in time or move faster.
Right. So this has been shown mostly by Disney. So like I used to see a lot of movies before. So yeah. So they shown this guy, he has a car. Okay. he has a car which pops out warp travelers on the back. Okay, so he's on space and he's like he needs to go home. His home is like 100 years away from Earth. So he activates that and poof, he's out. So what he's doing is actually like how the black hole is doing, except in terms of the car. Usually, because of the stretching and all, metal expands and breaks. It like has a tension point. But in warp speed, it's like physically very impossible. Even NASA said they cannot do it. It's because like they are not understanding what metal can withstand such stretching effects without getting stretched itself. Anyone want to add on to that? Yep, please add. You've been raising your hand for a long time.
Can I talk about Galileo?
Galileo. Oh yeah, I know about him.
He is the person who made the first telescope.
Right. Yeah, Galileo. Galileo also made very interesting observations about the moon and Jupiter through his telescope. Although a similar one was made by Newton, but it's much smaller.
He is an Italian astronomer,
Physician, yeah.
and engineer, sometimes as a polymath.
Yes.
Polymath.
Polymaths are like those who can balance 4 subjects in one. So like suppose he is an astronomer, he's a physician, he's a what? Engineer, if I'm right. And then he is this guy. He is more like a scientist also. He's not like an engineer, he's like a scientist. So he's like 3 subjects. So he can balance them 3 in 1. Like one part is astronomy, one part is a scientist, one last part is the physician. So, did you think that Galileo discovered a black hole?
I did not know that.
There are people who say that Galileo discovered a black hole, but I'm not pretty sure how. Because during those times, black holes weren't visible through normal telescopes. Only when James Webb telescope and this Hubble telescope all arrived, that's when we were able to see them clearly. And anyway, you won't see them like this. These are all colored up, okay? You won't see them like this. You'll usually see them as black and white. It's because we don't know their true colors yet. And presenting good. Just got scared. How did you do that? The topic. Just want to share one topic.
Trying to copy an image.
Sir, time to share about Mars and Mars rover.
Share about those. It's long time since I liked that topic.
Curiosity rover was 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 went on Mars and it found 21 molecules on Mars. And the first rover went named Sojourner. It went on a big rock and it fell down again. And after that, Spirit is now stopped working because on its solar panel the dust came. An opportunity is still operating now. Now it's going to study other things after that the Curiosity rover went to study that and 21 molecules. And Perseverance went when I was born. When I was born and Zhurong was crashed on Mars and it's sent by China.
Anyway, do you know what rovers say their last messages before they like completely shut off or something? It's like don't remember the words, but I'm sure it was Curiosity who said this. So people then
Curiosity sent by my JPL.
what?
JPL, the full form is Jet Propulsion Laboratory.
That. Yeah, you're right. So
Last message.
So this last message, I am not sure about the words, but yeah, it was like a little heartbreaking for all the NASA scientists over there.
I don't know the last.
The Dada is telling you.
So NASA scientists, they use something like this from Curiosity. So suppose Curiosity sends them a message. It usually comes like this. Dot. Oops. Where is my ink? Not black. Sorry. Let me just check what happened to my ink. I'll use a highlighter instead. So just think of this as a dot. So like there's a series of dots. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Ah yeah, someone must have zoomed in.
I only did that actually.
Please don't jump around with the whiteboard, please. Need to see what happened. Up. Up. Too huge. So something like this, these dots, Curiosity will send back to Earth. And so the scientists there at NASA will try to decode these dots. This is called as Braille language. So usually Curiosity doesn't send like these. It will send like this and then it will like try to say it in words. But for easier communication, it sends it like Braille. So as Braille is little easy to understand, not by people who have eyes, but people who don't, they can decode how Curiosity is telling them the message. Do you guys understand? So let me try to say what Curiosity said last. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, I know that there was this mission where the astronauts went to space but they didn't come back. Actually, before they reached Earth itself, that astronaut ship it blasted. That I know.
Okay, so actually it's not Curiosity, it's Opportunity's last words. So Opportunity's last words were, my battery is draining low and it's getting dark. It's because there was a sandstorm happening at that time. Can you imagine? Whoever would send a message through a sandstorm. So, as Rahul must have said, Jet Propulsion Laboratory of NASA, they've sent the farewell command by a song. So I think so that's a very good thing for a rover who might be like a human.
Opportunity sent the last message, not curiosity. Opportunity send the message. My battery is getting low and it's getting dark.
It's gonna be dark because during
Yes,
that time
opportunity.
the storm is almost coming towards it. Suppose this is a
Yeah.
rover. The storm was
Opportunity.
like this, something like this. Opportunity, Curiosity is still on, I think so. Like,
Because
Opportunity
curiosity.
went on for another 15 years. Also, it was designed for 90 days. And
Later.
do you know who's the brother of Opportunity?
Spirit. Spirit. Twins. Spirit and opportunity are called the twins. Yes, because their camera is also same.
Just 1 minute. So I must have keeping you waiting for more than a minute. So the three rovers are Spirit is one. Opportunity, and last is Sojourner. Curiosity is still active. Spirit, Opportunity, and Sojourner had completed their missions. So Sojourner is the first.
Sojourner, spirit, and opportunity.
Yep. Can you let me speak, please? So Sojourner is a record breaker in terms of surviving. Originally designed to survive for 7 days, it survived a record breaking 83 days in Mars. Yeah, you were saying something. And Spirit and Opportunity both like around 15 years, 16 years.
They both are twins.
Huh?
They both are twins.
Yeah, they're twins. So Sojourner landed on July 4, 1997, and Spirit and Opportunity landed at January 2024. Spirit operated until 2010. That is my birthday year, my birth year. And Opportunity operated up till 2018. So guess when did Curiosity land?
On 2012. 2012.
Right, 2012. And we have another generation rover, Perseverance,
When I was born.
Perseverance, and in 2021 along China's Zhurong rover. Yes, they both upright near
No, Zurong
Curiosity.
is not in 21. Zurong is in 22 and Perseverance is 2021 because I born in Perseverance. When Perseverance landed, that time I born.
It's already bought you out. So when I was born, maybe Spirit ended.
2022, Zurong rover landed.
Yep.
It's not on 2021.
Actually, as we think this Opportunity's last words were typed out, they weren't actually typed out. They were sent like data messages. I was saying, those dots. They're not really dots. They're called data messages. So as data messages were sent, so it was very weak. So one guy translated them as my battery is getting low and it's getting dark. So it's like that. I thought it was dots. If it was dots, there would be huge strips of papers here and there.
Project Gemini. What is this?
त्याचं नाव टाकायला पाहिजे ना श्रेयांचं.
Another thing we can say. Anyone else wants to add on these rovers?
Do you want to add anything?
Yes. Rover.
What is rover?
Rover is a lander that will run on Mars. And
Run on Mars.
and Curiosity is going too slow because they added slow for safety.
Lovely. I wonder they didn't. Usually, Mars rovers are known for their not slowly going rovers.
Perseverance and Curiosity are the twins.
Huh.
I know one Mars orbiter's name.
Yes?
Mars Recognizer Orbiter. That will rotate around the sun. Do you know how they will send the data to Earth? How rover can send the data to Earth? But the rover can send the data to satellite, then the satellite will send the data to Earth. Done. Easy.
Easy. Yeah. Right. But it's mostly with data blips, you know?
It takes 8 days to reach Earth.
Right. It takes more than 8 days. But there are cameras. There are much
Yes,
more.
there are cameras.
Yeah, there are cameras on these.
On
Curiosity.
rovers. Curiosity has only. Do you know how much cameras Curiosity has? 17. 17 cameras he has. But the differences in Curiosity and Perseverance, but Perseverance laser is silver in color and Curiosity's laser is in black in color. And the arm is different. It does like this. And it puts in the test tube and done. It goes like it's so easy. And inside the test tube will study after it's done it will go.
And how they will, what are the stages landing?
The stages when the everything separates the stages and the stages are back shell, cruise stage, back shell, cruise stage, black shell, cruise stage, descent stage, and rover, and on the last there is the heat shielded joined together. Then after the when it enters when everything enters the atmosphere, the guidance will start. Fire will start from the heat shield to protect the rover. Then the thrusters will come and it will put off the fire. Then it will come inside the atmosphere and it will deploy a parachute and one parachute and it will move. It called range trigger and after that heat shield will separate and the parachute will go anywhere and after that the parachute after their descent stage and rover stage after that parachute goes anywhere and the descent stage and rover will come and the booster will activate on the descent stage and it will go side and side and side and side and there are wires to hold the Curiosity rover and the camera was down and it loads the Curiosity rover safely and it touched down and the Ascendant fly away and it will crash. The landing is done. When it will take the sunlight on it doesn't has a solar panel. It takes sunlight on its body. Then the camera will activate and it will start. The wheels go. Then the Curiosity rover will send the signals to the Mars recognizer orbiter, the Mars recognizer orbiter, Earth, and the Curiosity rover will go. Done.
That's great. So let's this is the first session of this astrophysics. We'll have more. So I think so we're almost at we've crossed the time, but so do anyone want to share how the session went, how you felt about the session?
What you want to share how the session went? It is super.
Any feedback on the session?
And I have a Curiosity rover book also.
Is that the feedback?
Okay, you want to share anything? How was the session?
Sir, what the session means?
Session means this one.
Anyone else want to share?
It was very nice, but I think next time we'll talk about particular topic. We'll select one topic and everyone will talk about that one only. Then it is I think good.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yes. And there is
Next time.
one next time. The Alagla class. Okay, we can leave it.
There is no more feedbacks to be done. We can end the session. Thank you all for joining. Next session will be later. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.